it would make it go up or down, and the stick would, the push forward of the stick would make the aircraft go forward or back. But in airplane mode, those rules